This is the devlog for June 28th. We are doing the project mapping for the Python project. So far, this is the information that will pop up when you do an interaction, considering the last thing that we left off on was the character creation AI, basically. And then that kind of goes into the graphic that I put together for the interaction map. You take the player data and run it through whatever calculation for that. The health, the combat stats, the location needs created, but that's not going to pull any of that data in. And then the recycler, which is just the cycle for generating the outcomes based on the steps or whatever, because this is a continual process. So that's just unified by game state. Then that will go through to the user interface input and output after the storyboard is put together. That being the language development chart that I put together. So when you start the interaction, that's that little box right here. All of this is contained in that little box. So that engages with the event handler, which basically has a set of interactions already in mind with certain specifications and outcomes. And then you'll just pull the data through. You'll take it and generate a theme of descriptors and additional information that you might need for the decisions and responses. Put it all together, and you will get region, location, player data, character data, nouns, verbs, adjectives, objectives, all that stuff. That will go back through the event handler and then create and project the image through the user interface. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, awesome work.